Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a stuffed pepper with chicken, bacon, rice, mushrooms, black walnuts, ginger, parsley, butter. Don't forget the green onions. Alright, this is a very easy dish. It does take a little bit of time to cook the chicken and the bacon and the rice. So let's get going. Alright, so I have my food processor here because I need to chop everything up in small bits. And I'm going to just start with the mushrooms. You want everything kind of small because this is going to stuff our bell peppers. And you don't have to have large bell peppers. Medium's fine. We'll leave a detailed recipe below in the description area, and let's get started. Alright, so we are missing our little plunger thing for our KitchenAid mixer, or KitchenAid food processor here, so we're just going to do this a little at a time. I think what I'm going to do is pre-chop everything so everything's ready. Ooh. Yeah, ooh. Alright, this one's not so good. Bye-bye. Alright, so here goes. I think I'll use the spatula. Alright. Alright, I'm just going to leave them in here because next we're going to do our green onions. And I think I'm going to try to pick these out. I think I'm going to do the parsley. Get that all shoved in there. And then get our green onions. I think that might help. I'm going to turn it on low. Maybe high. Maybe off. Oh! Okay, we're done with that. Now, our black walnuts go on top. Take your ginger, mix it in there. Okay. Really kind of is not great to not have the little plunger thing because that helps with everything. But I'm doing the best I can. Okay. So now that we know this is going to make a mess, let's put it off to the side. We need to get our rice going. So what I've done is I've added in our 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. And I'm going to turn it down to a medium because it's going to take a little bit to cook. Alright, in the meantime, we're going to take a 1/2 cup of butter and put it in. And we're going to do this on a medium heat. Okay, we want to melt our butter. So I'm just swirling it around. I don't want to burn it, so I have it on a medium heat instead of a high or a medium high. Okay, this looks like a mess, but it's really not. We're getting everything in, our mushrooms. And all we're doing is toasting everything together. We're using a 1/3 cup of chicken broth, a pinch of salt, coarse black pepper, Alright, I have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I have 4 pieces of SLAB bacon here that I've cut up into smaller chunks. What I want to do is I want to put up the chicken into really nice, small, bite-sized pieces because we're going to add these into the stuffed peppers. We're just going to cut nice small pieces. And you want them into small pieces. You want them smaller than 1 inch. You're going to do probably 3/4 of an inch would be good. You just want nice small pieces. Okay, our rice is done. We're going to add the rice into our pan. We're just going to mix it around. I'm going to take this off the heat, get another pan to start the chicken and the bacon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the bacon first, because bacon has a natural grease oil that comes off of the bacon as you're cooking it, and it helps cook the chicken, and it gives the chicken a really nice flavor. So we're going to put the bacon in first. And we're going to hold off with the chicken until the bacon has put a little bit of grease in the pan. Tell that we're starting to get a little bit of oil in the pan, and we want to cook it just a little more, because what we want to do is use some of the oil from the bacon to really help cook our chicken. We're going to turn the stove onto a medium. Our bacon is cooking just beautifully now. We're starting to get some really nice fond on the bottom. So now it's time to add our chicken. And this will not take long to cook. We need to take the peppers out and drain them. Our peppers are rinsed off and we're arranging them in the pan. And now we're going to fill. Now we're going to cover them, and we're going to place them in a 350-degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes. I added the water in there in the little pans to help keep the peppers softened so nothing gets hard. So let's get this going. For start, there we go. We'll see you in 35 to 40 minutes. All right, I think our meal is done. Take a look. You want to remove the foil away from you. Oh yeah, oh, it smells so good. Wow. Okay, just took our stuffed peppers out of the oven and they look fantastic. Let's get them plated up. All right, there you have it, stuffed peppers. Hope you enjoy. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, ring the bell for notification, and we'll see you next time. Bye!